Hey everyone, you're at a friend's house, having a great time. You decide to split the cost of a pizza you ordered. You reach for your phone to pay, but you don't have your friend's Venmo handle. What do you do? Hook. Today, we're diving into the question, can you actually use Venmo by phone number? Let's find out. Building context. Venmo, as you probably know, is a popular mobile payment app. It's a quick and easy way to send and receive money between friends and family. But, can you bypass the traditional username or QR code and simply send money using a phone number? The short answer, yes, you can. The good news is, yes, you can indeed send money on Venmo using a phone number. This feature is especially handy when you don't have your friend's Venmo handle or QR code readily available. How to send money using a phone number? Open the Venmo app, make sure you're logged into your Venmo account. Tap the Pay button, this is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Enter the phone number, in the To field, type in the phone number of the person you want to send money to. Add an amount, enter the amount of money you want to send. Add a note, optional, you can add a note to the payment if you wish. Confirm the payment, review the details and tap Pay to confirm the transaction. A few things to keep in mind. Phone number verification. Before you can send money to a phone number, the recipient must have verified their phone number with Venmo. Contact privacy settings. Make sure your contact privacy settings are configured correctly. If you have strict privacy settings, you might not be able to find certain contacts. Security. Always double-check the phone number before sending money to ensure you're sending it to the right person. Alternatives to phone numbers. Venmo handles. Using Venmo handles is still the most common and reliable way to send money on the app. QR codes. Venmo generates QR codes for each user. You can scan these codes to quickly send or request money. Contact lists. Venmo can sync with your phone's contact list, making it easier to find friends and family who are also on Venmo. Additional tips. Venmo friends. Consider adding your friends and family as Venmo friends for faster and easier transactions. Venmo business. If you're a business owner, you can set up a Venmo business account to accept payments from customers. Venmo debit card. You can also use a Venmo debit card to make purchases at physical stores. Conclusion. So, there you have it. You can definitely send money on Venmo using a phone number. This feature can be a lifesaver when you're in a pinch and don't have your friend's Venmo handle or QR code. Just remember to verify phone numbers and double-check the recipient before sending any money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.